there's something about the way you make me feel inside. I'm counting down the days till we fly away.
Hey guys, today I am cleaning out and organizing my 10-year-old daughter's closet, and she will be assisting me, so you will see her in this video. But as you can see, it is a disorganized mess, and we're going to tackle it. We're going to go through her clothes, through her summer and her winter clothes, and the best part about this video is it is actually sponsored by Poshmark, and I'm so excited to be working with them because I am a longtime user of their app, which, by the way, Poshmark is an app and you can download it for free. And that's how I make a lot of money from selling our used clothes. So when I clean out my closet, I will list my clothes on there. And now that I'm cleaning out Madeline's closet, I listed several of her clothes on there, and you can actually make quite a bit of cash on there. So if you haven't checked it out, I highly recommend downloading the Poshmark app, and I will leave my handle in the description box below, and I'll also have it come across the screen now. And please feel free to share your closet in the comments below if you want, and everybody can go and look at everybody's closet and do some shopping. But it is a smart way to shop because there is a lot of cute stuff on there, and I know, like, for our stuff, it is very gently used. It just is either we've outgrown it or maybe we're just bored of it. So I highly recommend checking it out. You can sell on there, you can buy on there. Selling is super easy. It takes less than a minute to list something on there. You just take a picture, which you will see some things in this video that are actually in my closet. So definitely go check out my closet when you are done watching this video.
I remember every day that I spent right here with you. Yeah, you are the one who makes me feel as good as I do. Baby, I wanna still act like we are 22 right now. Just let go, lose control, play songs on the radio too loud. This could be magical. Whoa, whoa. This could be magical.
So if you're like me and you go through your closet seasonally or even just periodically, like when you're going through and organizing, so I used to basically donate all of my stuff or give it away, which there's nothing wrong with doing, and I still do somewhat, but I like to sell like my nicer items on there, and you can make a lot of extra cash. I've made quite a bit of money on there selling. I really like that aspect of it because it definitely brings a little bit of cash into the checkbook, if you know what I mean. And Christmas is coming up, so I'm actually saving my Poshmark closet money for a Christmas present. So if you guys are going through your closet soon, you definitely should look into selling your stuff on Poshmark. You can do it all from your phone. You just download the app, you take a picture of the item, and you list it, and the whole process for listing an item literally takes like 2 minutes. And then shipping it is also super easy. I just buy my envelopes off Amazon. You can just search like shipping envelopes, and then once you sell something, they just actually email you a printing label, and you can just print, or a shipping label, and you can just print that off and tape it right onto the package, and you're good to go. The shipping's already paid for and all of that. And if you're a buyer, the same goes for you. Like, you just buy it and your shipping costs are calculated into that, and then that's all you have to do. Then the seller goes from there. But it is really easy, guys. If I can do it, anybody can do it.
'Cause you're a renegade. I could be the one who saved you from this hard place. We could be as one and we'll escape. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. I can feel it, it burns inside me. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. Trust me, I won't let you down. Some gates never get to open 'cause it's too late. I could be the one who saves you from this place. Baby, they ain't never gonna find me, find me, find me. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. I can feel it, it burns inside me. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me.
I found this shoe organizer at Target. It was $9.99 and it's Madeline's favorite color, and it hangs over the door, and it already comes with the hooks that you hang it with, and I like it. The pockets are big enough, as you can see, to fit a pair of shoes in, and then for like her bigger shoes, you could see like her little booties, they fit in there just fine. And then it actually has two bigger pockets for larger shoes, and then it has that big pocket at the bottom you could put stuff in, but it ended up fitting all her shoes, and I really like it, and it's pretty. So, and she liked it, she was really excited. So that's where I found that, at Target.
I don't know if I can make it when I walk alone. Can somebody come and save me? I just wanna know, I wanna know. If I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red lights. I don't know if I can make it when I walk alone. I'm not gonna lose myself. I'll be standing high and I'll win the fight. Not gonna lose myself. And I wanna know, yeah, I wanna know. I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red lights. I could just stay the same or be winning the game. I'll be standing high and I'll win the fight.
I came straight through the dirt, my sleeves pulled up and my head held high. No shirt, no shoes, but a beating heart, and I made sure that my tongue was tied. Try to shut up and just put up with all the lies they told. Guess this is what it's like when you grow up. I'm feeling old. Some say it's normal when you get formal. It comes with age, what a mistake. Cause when I was a kid I dreamt of something greater, like standing on a stage and hearing all those people shout my name. But now I'm hanging low and looking for someone to blame. So
I'm not gonna lose myself. I'll be standing high and I'll win the fight. Not gonna lose myself. And I wanna know, yeah, I wanna know. I could come through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red lights. I could just stay the same or be winning the game. I'll be standing high and I'll win the fight.
I don't know if I can make the days go by like this right now.
I don't know if I can make it when I walk alone.
I don't know if this road is too long, guess I'll make it somehow.
Can somebody
So this is the finished product of her closet. I think it turned out great. It looks so much less cluttered. Everything has a place. And at the top, in case you were wondering, I have two of those bins. One has Halloween costumes because I'm super sentimental and I can't get rid of things. So that actually has all of the girls' Halloween costumes, but it works out because Kinsley can actually wear a lot of Madeline's old ones. And then one has some blankets from when Maddie was a baby and some of her old clothes and shoes that I hung on to just for future or whatever. But like I said, I'm super sentimental. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If this is one of my first videos, I would love to have you subscribe and give me a thumbs up before you leave, guys, and I will see you guys next time.